welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be a quick tutorial on how I do my hair when I want it to look very curly and big and voluminous. And it's a really simple way to do it. I don't like to use a lot of heat on my hair, but I do have to use it sometimes. And this is one of the times where I use heat, but I try to keep it minimal. So I'm just gonna show you guys how I create my big voluminous hair. So I'm gonna use my hot tools, and this is my 1.5 inch curling barrel. I really don't like curling wands because I feel like they just don't work well with my hair, especially because my hair is so long. Let me just show you guys. It goes down to my waist. So what I do is that I bring everything forward, I split it in half, and with the barrel I go around the barrel and I hold it for 5 seconds. I hold it in my hand. I mean, don't burn yourself, but I can hold it in my hand. And then whatever curl I have there, I'll just throw to the back. What I like to do is that I'll grab thicker pieces, small pieces, and medium-sized pieces so that you have different sizes of curls throughout the hair. And also I go forward and back. So the first curl I went forward, and with this one I'm gonna go back. So I'll go forward with this one, and I'll just hold this here. For the bigger pieces I'll do 10 seconds, but for the small pieces I just do 5 to 7 seconds. Again, same thing, I'll let it drop into my hand, and then I'll just throw it to the back. And then I just continue the exact same thing all throughout my hair. So if you notice, I'm not going straight from the root at the bottom because I want to keep the length at the bottom. But once I get to the top, I do start curling from the root. So this is everything I've done. So I'm just gonna show you now how I do the top, which is just exactly the same thing. I just go closer to the root. So let me just split that. So I'll take smaller pieces at the top, like this, and I'll just go right down to the root. Obviously don't stick it on your head because you don't wanna burn yourself, just be careful with that. But I make sure I roll it down all the way to as close as I can get to my scalp without it burning. And then here I hold it for 10 seconds each piece just because I really want it to get hot and hold its curl. And the front pieces, I always go back. I don't curl forward unless I'm going for like that sort of look, like an old Hollywood glam sort of look, but I'm not for this tutorial. So I always go back just so that all of the hair comes off of the face and doesn't fall onto my face. So the two products that I use are these. This is Eva NYC, and this is a leave-in treatment. And this helps to repair and strengthen the hair, but I use it like a styling cream, not a leave-in conditioner. And now I just go all over the hair and I just start like really massaging it into the hair and into the root as well. You really want to work your product into the root so that it creates that volume you want. Now I go in with my volumizing hairspray. So now I'm just going to grab all of the hair and just scrunch it up into a ball. Make sure you split your hair properly. So now I take my clips again, and then I just secure them in place. I'm gonna leave the curls cooling off, and I'm gonna do the rest of my hair, and then I'll show you guys how I do the rest. I'll be right back. So I'm just gonna take this off. So it's probably been sitting up for at least half an hour now. You see? Oh my gosh, yeah. Oh my god. So I'm definitely gonna brush it out because I don't want the curls to look so defined. So now at this point you could style it. You could put like a cute little clip here and pull this back. Or you could do it on this side, or you could do like a half up, half down sort of situation, but I just like it big and fluffy. I love this kind of look for myself because I just think it suits my face best when I have big voluminous hair as opposed to like flat hair. I just don't like it. So that's it. It was pretty easy. I just found this technique one day when I was getting ready for an audition. I curled my hair and I thought, well, I don't want to lose a curl, so let me just put it up in the clips. And when I took it down, I was like, whoa, this looks really good. And then I put in the products and then I put it back up until I got to the audition, and my hair, like, it just kept the style and it just looked so amazing. I got so many compliments on it, and it just makes you look like you have 10 times the amount of hair that you actually do. So if you liked this technique and if you tried it yourself, please give my video a thumbs up, and while you're here, go ahead and subscribe because it's free and I upload amazing content on my channel, if I may say so myself, because I work hard on my videos. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in my next video, which will be very soon. Bye! Baby, come on, I love you endlessly, and you weren't there for me, so now it's time to leave and make it alone. I know that I can't take no more, it ain't no lie.